In this video, we're going to look at solving an equation that involves logs. There are lots of different types of equations that have logs in them that use different strategies. We're going to be looking at a couple equations like this, where it's basic log form. Log base 3 of 4x minus 2 equals 4, and we're going to solve for x. Now, in order to be successful at this, we need to know the relationship between log form and exponential form. So here we have log form, log base b of m equals x. And to change that to exponential form, we would write it as b to the x equals m. And the way I visualize that is I think of b, that's my base. So just like an exponent has to have a base, to the x. Log is always equal to an exponent. Whatever this is over here, whatever it's equal to is going to be the exponent, equals m, right? B to the x equals m. So over here, if I wanted to change this to exponential form, I'd go 3 to the 4 equals 4x minus 2. And don't let the fact that there's an x here and an x here confuse you. This x is saying what the log is equal to, which in this case is 4, and this x is just what we're solving for in this equation. All right, these two x's are not the same thing. They're not in the same spot. All right, so I'm going to change this to log form, or excuse me, I'm going to change it from log form to exponential form. So it's going to be 3 to the 4 equals 4x minus 2. Well, now this just becomes a simple linear equation. I figure out what 3 to the 4th is, which is 81. And I, do what we do here. So we add 2 to both sides, and I get 83 equals 4x. Divide both sides by 4. Let's see, 4 goes into 80 20 times, and then we have 3 left over, so how about 20 3/4? All right, not the prettiest answer, but it works. Let's test it out. All right, let's check it. So if I come over here and I plug in 20 3/4 into my equation, I would have log base 3 of 4 times 20 3/4 minus 2 equals 4. All right, let's see if this is a true statement. Log base 3 of, all right, 4 times 20 3/4. Well, if you do that out, you're going to get 83. Because we did it, 83 divided by 4 was 20 3/4, so 4 times 20 3/4 is 83. Take away 2 equals 4. Log base 3 of 81 equals 4. Is that a true statement? Well, if I change that to exponential form, we would have 3 to the 4th power equals 81, and that is a true statement. So that's true, and we have found the solution to the equation.